tinapay na ito ay masarap kahit walang palaman. Kung gusto nyong matutunan, manood ka at umpisahan na nating lutuin ang condensed milk bread. Let's get started! Combine milk and instant yeast. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Gagamit ako ng stand mixer using dough hook or pwedeng inid by hands until smooth. Mayroon akong bread flour sa bowl, lagyan ng salt, sugar at yung milk mixture. Mag-add ng condensed milk, margarine, egg at inid natin until soft or smooth. Kapag too sticky pa ang dough, pwedeng mag-add ng konting flour. I-transfer na ang dough sa greased bowl and let it rise for 1 hour. Takpan. After 1 hour, i-divide sa 6 equal portion and roll into a ball and ilagay sa loaf pan at takpan natin. Let it rise for another 1 hour. After 1 hour, i-bake sa oven ng 30 to 35 minutes or when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Palamigin ng konti at masarap po ito sa mainit na kape. Tara, kainan na!